Hello, my name is Juan Camilo Giraldo and today I'm going to talk about the car. What do you think is the greatest invention? Why? Owning your own car influence almost every aspect of life, work life, family life, and even social life. It makes travel easier and allows people to access their destination faster, which in turn influence their lifestyles. Uh, how was invented? Cards come into global use during 20th century and developed economies depend of them. The year 1886 is regarded as the birth year of the modern car wagon when German inventor Carl Benz patented his Benz patent motor wagon. Cars Cards became widely available in the late 20th century. One of the first cars accessible to the masses was the 1908 Model T, an American car manufactured by the Ford Motor Company. Cars were rapidly adopted in the USA where they replace animal down carriage and carts, but took much longer to be accepted in Western Europe and other parts of the world. To build a car, you need the following steps. Is six. The first is component. The second is chassis. The three is body. Four paint. Five interior assembly, and six is assembly. This is the all for today. Thank you.